Hi guys, welcome to Crochet Wonderland, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys a tutorial on how to crochet a flower. I'm teaching you two ways to crochet a flower. The bases are just different, but the petals are the same. One's for like an absolute beginner, and another one's for like people who are not very absolute beginners. And for the first flower, I'm going to be using this chenille yarn and a 4.5mm hook. And for the second flower, I'm using a 4mm hook and some just regular blue yarn. Let's jump right in. Okay, this is for if you're an absolute beginner because it's like perfect for you. First up, we're gonna start with a slip knot, and to make a slip knot, I just take my hook, twist it, and yarn over, pull through it. If you need more in depth for these stitches, you can watch my videos called Basic Stitches 1 and 2. They're perfect for really absolute beginners. And now I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and now we're going to make a slip stitch into the first chain. To make a slip stitch, you insert, yarn over, and pull through all loops. There you go. Now chain 2, and this is how we're gonna make the petal. We're gonna make 2 double crochets. Choose it, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now this doesn't look like a petal, right? Just wait. Now chain 2 again, yarn over, pull through. And when you yarn over, pull through, always turn your hook to the left. Now we're gonna make a slip stitch in this circle. There you go. That's how you make one petal. Let's move on to the next one. Chain 2. Now make 2 double crochets. Now chain 2 and insert and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through all loops. There you go, that's your second petal. And you can make as many petals as you want, but I'm gonna go casual and just make 5. Chain 2 and slip stitch. You might have to scoot things. Scoot it, and I'm on my last petal. Chain 2. It might become a small little mess while you're making it, but when it's done, it's gonna look awesome. Now chain 2 and slip stitch. 5 petals, and now you're just going to chain 1 and fasten. part if you're not very absolute beginner, but this is still perfect for anybody. First up, we're gonna start with the magic ring. It's not as hard as it seems. Wrap the yarn around your pointer finger and then wrap it around your middle finger. But today, I'm just going to wrap it around my middle and ring finger and wrap it towards the right side into an X. And hold it with your thumb. In the top right loop, into your hook, twist it clockwise, and then with the working yarn around your pointer finger, yarn over, pull through. Now, you are going to make 10 single crochets. To make a single crochet, you're going to insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over, pull through both loops. Now make 9 more. So insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. Okay, there we go. I've made 10 single crochets and now I'm going to slip stitch onto the first stitch and make that really small. Now tighten your magic ring. And now we're just going to repeat the same cycle for the petals, but it's kind of different. Chain 2, insert in your first stitch. Okay, in first stitch, make a double crochet, and then in the next stitch, make another double crochet. So this following the same pattern. Now chain 2, and in the same stitch that you did your second double crochet, insert and make a slip stitch, which is yarn over, pull through. You just made your petal. Now chain 2 and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Make your second one. Chain 2 and slip stitch. It's the same stitch that you did your second double crochet. Remember that, guys. This one, in my opinion, is pretty much easier because you don't have to scoot it, and it's like much more just made already. But in this one, you do have to know more stitches. That one's just more for, this one's just more for absolute beginners. But both are amazing. Second double crochet that you made, insert in that stitch and make a slip stitch. That's your fourth petal. And now you're going to chain 2 again. And now make a double crochet. Then last stitch, it might be a little smaller. I just have to wiggle it. Wiggling always helps. Double crochet. Finally. Now you're going to chain 2 and make a slip stitch in that last stitch. And there you go. Now chain 1 and fasten off. here's your second flower. These are the two flowers that I taught today. Which one do you like more? I like both of them. These two are amazing. See you in the next video. Bye!